Do you know the difference between these two important but similar traffic signs? If you don't know, no worries. Let me explain to you. In a situation A, this is priority for oncoming vehicles. Just remember, priority for oncoming vehicles. In situation number B, priority over oncoming vehicles. Priority over oncoming vehicles. Now you understand? Okay. Do you know the difference between these two stop signal? One is only stop A and another is stop signal. What is the difference? Okay, let me tell you. In situation A, where you see the hexagonal stop sign, you have to, it is the obligation or you must stop before the stop line. And in situation 2, where stop at signal, so you don't have to stop if the signal is green, or even if it is red, but if you want to go to the right side or the left side and that is a free road, then you don't need to stop. That's the big difference. So now these two signs, this is the two parking signs. Now what is the difference between these two signs, these two traffic signs? It looks very similar, but they have different meanings. Let me tell you. In situation A, which is no parking, and in situation B, that is also no parking. When both are no parking, so then what is the difference? The difference is in situation A, no parking and no stopping, but in situation B, no parking but one may stop. So that is the one big single difference between these two similar signs. Okay, another interesting traffic signs. These two signs are very similar, but what are the signs? So in situation A, this is a clear way traffic sign, clear way traffic sign, and in situation B, this is a motorway traffic sign. So what is the difference between the clear ways and motorways? If you know, please write into the comment section. Okay, this is another interesting situation. Situation A and situation B. Two different parking signs, but it looks very similar. So what are the difference and what is the difference? Situation A, it is no parking. Parking is prohibited when you see this sign. And situation B, that is also no parking. But then what is the difference? The difference is in situation A, it is no parking when it is the sign is placed. After that, you cannot park. But in situation B, this is a zone. This is a no parking zone. So this is an area where you cannot park unless and until there are other traffic sign, other parking sign is placed. So that's the main difference. Another interesting situation here. Both traffic signs. Another interesting traffic sign. Both looks like exactly same, but what is the difference? So this is the roundabout traffic sign. Traffic signs for roundabout. Then what is in blue and what is in red border, triangular one. Let me tell you the difference. The blue one is roundabout. Just before the roundabout you can see this blue sign. So roundabout and roundabout is here. But the other one in situation B, traffic sign B, that is placed before the roundabout. So that means it is warning sign for roundabout ahead. So this is placed before much before the roundabout. So you know that there is a roundabout is coming, there is an upcoming roundabout, warning sign for roundabout, and that's the difference. Blue sign is at the point of roundabout, just before the roundabout, it is just in front of roundabout it is placed, but the other one it is placed before, to warn people there is when it is high speed road, you are coming from a 90 km/h speed and there is a big roundabout, then it will warn you before there is a roundabout coming, and then you will see this triangular roundabout sign. Okay, another interesting situation. Two important traffic sign. It is mostly placed in motorways or in clearways. So mostly you will find at that place, but also you can find in high-speed country roads. So what is the difference then? A and B. It is the no overtaking. This means no overtaking. Both A and B are for no overtaking. Then what is the difference? In A, it is no overtaking for heavy vehicles like trucks and all the bigger vehicles or heavy vehicles, and in situation B, no overtaking for cars. So in A it is no overtaking for heavy vehicles and B no overtaking for car. Okay, another two different similar interesting traffic sign A and B. What does it mean? The first one, it means no entry, and the second one, this is closed for both sides. So then how does it differ? So first one, no entry means you cannot enter, but the vehicles can come from that road. But the second one, in the B, this is closed for the both direction. So you cannot go or vehicle cannot come from the opposite direction. So this is completely closed in the B, and in A it is no entry for ongoing vehicles, but oncoming vehicles can come. That's the difference. Oh, this is one of the very important traffic sign, and that usually comes in the driving theory test. Almost all the time you will find this question, one of them at least. And guess, these two signs are related to parking. I can give you a little bit hint. You have to tell me the answer in the comment section. These two are parking signs, but can you park or you cannot park? If you can park, when and how? What is the difference between these two signs? See you in the comment section. Wow, this is another interesting but very confusing traffic signs. Sorry. What is this number 58 and 58? Both A and B are similar, but there is a difference. And what is the difference? In A, 58 within the blue background, that is when you are on that 58 number road. That is the number road. Both are number road, but this is 58 in the A is the number road where you are there already. So you are in the road number 58, you are driving. But other one, 58. Okay, another interesting situation, and the two traffic sign looks very similar, but what is the difference and what is the similarity? So this traffic signs you can find mostly in the city. And the first one, the A, where you can see I can tell you what does it mean. This is for uneven road. Uneven road is ahead. situation B, speed bump is ahead. So this is the looks like very similar, but this is the difference. In A, uneven road, and B, speed bump, and both are warning sign for the speed bump and warning sign for the uneven road. And if you want to know more about this type of interesting video, then please join Key to DL membership. It is very little money, but you can get lot of values. So more number of videos are there. You can watch it, learn it, and pass your driving test. All the best, and I'll see you in another interesting video. Till then, hey do, bye bye.